yes, you watching me right now, you are in the market to buy a bungalow. Now, a spacious, well-built bungalow. Then allow me to show you what 75 million naira can get you right here in Ibeju, Lekki. Welcome home. Yes, home is right here. If you make up your mind right now after watching this video till the very end, as I'm going to be giving you a full tour into this spacious 3-bedroom bungalow with a BQ. Now the rooms are unsealed and the kitchen is coming furnished. Right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you're wondering where is this property located, well, like I said earlier, this is within Ibeju, Lekki. Of course, it happens to be within the Idera scheme. Now, if you have been following the trajectory of properties around this environment, you would know where Idera scheme is. And Idera scheme happens to be one of the biggest government schemes, which is a government allocated land, meaning this property falls within a government allocation and it has a COO. So now that you know that the location of this property, and you also know that it is not only safe to invest here, but it's also secured. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and talk the spacious 3-bedroom bungalow.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up.
You can unscrew this to make it come down more lower, but I guess they have even screwed it and made it way lower. So this is coming with the unit. Every unit, whether you're buying the one with the open kitchen design or not. Of course, we have the heat extractor right here, and then of course this is here. You have the microwave, you have the oven, and then you have all of these spaces for storage, right? So this also is here. One thing I noticed about this bungalow is the quality of things that were used here. So modern day things are the things that have been used to finish this bungalow. So basically, you could say this bungalow is a premium bungalow. It's not an ordinary or basic type of bungalow you will see out there. So we have this right here, and the quality is obviously very, very good. And of course, you have this tray, and then you have the liquid washer source right there. And of course, you have this open space that you can put your washing machine. Now, the pantry is one thing that I love about this place. So it has a very spacious pantry, though for this unit they have installed an inverter right here, and of course they have stuff packed up here. But I mean, from what you can see, the pantry is truly spacious, and I like the open kind of way. I like the way it is open basically, and I mean, hair is just going to come into this pantry. So honestly, I truly like the way the shape, I mean the openness, the wideness of this into this pantry, and then the way the shape is also, it allows you to, you know, arrange your pantry so nicely, and it's going to take a whole lot of things. And then if you're buying yours, you want to also install the inverter. This is also good. It's just that you have to also ensure there is a cooling in place for you. So the exit door is here. Now, one thing I noticed about this door, again, like I said, this bungalow is premium. It is not an ordinary or the regular bungalow. Now, the quality of this door is not like the common ones that we see out there. It's a very strong, heavy door right there. I wish I know the name and the manufacturer and all of that, but I don't. But for what I can say, it is not the regular door, and then it is not a door that is going to be prone to rusting. So now let's go see the 3 rooms. Remember, this is a 3-bedroom bungalow with a BQ. All right, back here is the lobby and of course the walkway. So you have here and here. Now 2 rooms are here, so let's go here and see the 2 rooms right here. Now this is where they have the DB fixed, because the inverter is installed here, so the switch for the inverter is also there. So we're going to check room number 1. Remember, these units are only staged for you to see, you and every other person to see. So the house is not coming with any of the furnitures in it. So you can see this is a 4x5 bed, and then of course, even with it, you see the 2 windows. This room has 2 windows, and of course you have a POP right there, and then they've done this guy just to show you what exactly, give you an idea of what you can do. Now all rooms are obviously en suite, so we have the toilet and the bathroom right there. Now this toilet is sectioned. Basically, you have the shower section, and then of course you have the utility part as well. So that's not just all for this room. Behind the door is the wardrobe. All right, so every room does come with a wardrobe, and the wardrobe for this guy is right there, and then we have this one right here. Of course, these are the wardrobes that you just tap and then it does open. Then they have this space maybe for shoe rack, and you just decide what you want to do with them. Then I like the fact that the wardrobes are up to the ceiling. It makes a whole lot of sense, and it just has this aesthetic beauty that it adds to the house. So room number 2. Okay, so about the same size basically. No, that room is bigger than this room, but we have about the same size of bed right here, and then of course it's just 1 window. The shape of the room obviously is different, and I mean they staged this for you to understand and I mean give you a bigger picture. And then of course, like I said earlier, all rooms are en suite, and of course it has a wardrobe. So we have the wardrobe here about the same size as well right there. Okay, so the toilet and the bathroom also, it is sectioned. So we have this section for the utility, and then we have the section for the shower. Now let me say this about this shower. In the shower they have the water heater switch, and then I mean right there is the shower itself. This is quite sizable. I mean it's convenient for usage and all of that. So all of this comes with the house. Like I said, this bungalow is coming finished. Then of course we have switches right there. So apparently we've checked the supposed madam's room and kids room, and now we're going to the master bedroom, which is right in front of me. So are you ready? All right, welcome to the master suite. First of all, the master suite has two large windows. The window right there and this one right here is way larger. It brings in, I mean, you can see the natural lighting these two windows has brought into this bedroom. And of course, this is a king size bed right there. From here in Nigeria, we call it 6x6, but for you that you're in diaspora, I don't know what you guys call it. And then of course they had staged all of this to give you an idea again of the size of the room, and then tell you what you can do with yours as well. Now, it is not only en suite like every other room. It has a POP, and if you want to make some adjustment, maybe at the level at which you also can do that. Now it comes with a work-in closet. That's why it's the master en suite, right? So the work-in closet is by my right and by my left, so space everywhere for you to utilize. And of course, this is a shoe rack. Again, if you observe, the wardrobes are up to the ceiling. So you might probably consider buying a small ladder right here. Now wait till you see the toilet and the bathroom. Just like every other room we've seen, is also sectioned, but the difference of course is in the size, because it's the master en suite, and then we have a bathtub. So every unit is coming with this bathtub. You have the water heater switch, you have the shower, you have this utility there, and of course this large window right there. This completes the entire tour of this 3-bedroom bungalow with a BQ. So you are wondering, where's the BQ? Don't worry, come along. Let's check out the BQ. Now I get to access the BQ from the exit door of the kitchen, and then of course you can see the walkway right here, and then right behind the house is the BQ. Now this BQ is obviously a small one, all right? And then of course right now construction is going on, so some people have occupied, but I'm going to show you guys that way. So you see, it's just, I like the fact that we can see this bed, so you have an idea of the kind of bed that will fit perfectly for this BQ. And then it has a toilet and the bathroom, and then in front of me is just the workway. The setback, you can see the setback of the house, and then you can work all the way. You can obviously work around your house. This is why it is a fully detached bungalow. This other side of the house can obviously be used as car park, depending on you. You can park all the way down to 3 cars, apart from the space in front of the house that you also can use for parking. Like I said, it's up to you. Now, you already see the entire estate is new, is on construction. This is why this is still selling on pre-launch of 75 million naira only. 5 million naira gets your foot into the door, and you can spread your payment across 12 months with interest, of course. Now, if you're not interested in buying a bungalow and you are looking to buy a service plot, yes, we have service plots selling within the estate, so you can buy 300 square meter right here and also 500 square meter. It is up to you. However, there's bungalows like you see, which is right now on construction, and at the time I'm making this video, I have 6 units already standing. So like I said earlier, this is only selling on pre-launch, and for you who would want to buy the 300 square meter, is currently selling at 30 million naira, and the 500 square meter is going for 50 million naira. You can spread your payment across 3 months, no interest, but take it all the way to 12-month payment plan is also available. Remember, the title is a C of O. Now what this means is that there is no hassles whatsoever, there is no encumbrances when it comes to you investing in this property. And then accessibility to this location. Yes, In the beginning of this video, I told you guys that this is located within Idera scheme. Now, Idera scheme is accessible from Eleko. Just a walkable distance from Eleko Junction. I mean, where we have Creamborg Construction, this property is behind Creamborg Construction Company. And it's so exciting how this environment is opening up so much. Now, what this means is that it is a perfect time for you to buy into this property, because if you choose a 12-month payment plan, by this time next year, I am so sure that we're going to have more units standing, and of course, it might even be habitable. Now, that takes me to the infrastructures that's going to be available in these estates. First of all, they are already constructing a swimming pool right there, a 5-a-side football pitch, a long tennis court right there. There's going to be a gym house here. There's going to be a facility house here. I mean, treatable water, electricity, etc., etc. Now, speaking about trust of the owner of this property, because I know that you are very interested and particular about the person behind this property. Now, I would love to tell you that the owner of this property has been...
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell,
sell it on pre-launch price. I do not want you to miss out on the opportunity of owning this at a pre-launch, and that's why we're getting on it right away. Again, before they started to sell on pre-launch, they built 6 units. As I'm talking to you, I counted the foundation setting for 10 more units, meaning before New Year we'll have more block works being done. So what I'm saying in essence is that this is not a property you buy into or an estate you buy into and it gets to feel like it's abandoned in the next 1 year, or your house will not be delivered to you on time. Like I said earlier, from what you have seen going on, even before they started to sell on pre-launch, it shows you that they are in the game to deliver your own to you at premium, good quality, and of course on time. So ladies and gentlemen, this is about the time you should stop watching this video and start dialing my number. Don't forget, my name remains Goodness Usman, the queen of Landlord Maker, aka Latana. I will be delighted to help you start your home ownership journey right here inside Celebration Parkland Eleko, Lagos, Nigeria. Please ensure that wherever you are watching me from, that you, yes you remain safe and awesome just the way you are. So I say to you, what?